through all the genders in our society.
Jokanya sekta mar somo e kaunti ma Embu nyiso luore wiro chuok mar somo mar mbalariany. Giyango ni kwan jopuonjre madonjo mbalariany e gwenge go nok mokalo kendo mago madonjo bende yudo tiegruok ma chunygi ok ohero. Riwruok mar jolony ma Embu ne oloso chenro mar bad migawo mar KUPS mano bago tiegro jopuonjre e wi ng'eyo chenro ma winjore gi dhi gisom.
Performance ya Embu katika KCSE this year 2023. Embu is number 27 katika orodha ya all the counties ambao walifanya KCSE last year 27. National figure mheshimiwa ya mwaka huu, total number of students who entered for KCSE, it is 22.48%. Our percentage is 20%.
We are willing to work together. For those who are joining BEd, what we are advising you, ukiwa campus kama vile mmeambiwa na dada yenu. I know when people are in the university, wanafanya maneno kama corporate. Degree ni corporate. But when you come to employment, employment is not corporate, it's individual. So the way you have been advised, kindly, in the issues of relationship, you have to be very, very, very careful. Very, very careful. You have heard what you have been told. Some of you have been given government money. That money is not for free. It is a loan that you are going to